Hey guys, welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can create the cinematic orange filter in Lightroom. So to do that, I'm just going to put the exposure up to +36 here. Just around that, you don't have to be accurate. And then contrast -12. And then highlights -27. And then shadows +66. Then we're going to do -24, for whites. And then for blacks, -7. And then we're going to go to color, temps +5. And then tint -2. Vibrance +24. And then saturation +11. Go back to light and go to curves. Go to the white curve here and adjust like I am doing right now. Press done. And then we're going to go back to color, go to color grading. And for the first hue, we're going to do 34. Saturation at 7. And then for the third color grading moment, 37. And saturation at 6. Press done. And then go to color mix. For the red one, select +11. And then, oh my gosh, on the red, +11, saturation +10. Luminance +8. Then for the orange one, it's +14, +16, and +8. For the yellow one, it is, for orange, it's -3, and then -13, and then +16. And then for the yellow one, it's 14, 16, and 8. I'm like going over it. It's so hard to adjust these. 14, 16, and 8. Then for the blue color, +28, -18, and -14. Then for the purple, it's -45, +28, and -30. Then for the magenta, it's 0, +11, and +10. Then we are going to go to effects here. Go to effects, texture +8. And then clarity +4. And then dehaze +4 as well. Then we are going to go to detail, go to noise reduction +19, detail +50, which it already is. I don't know why I moved it. Contrast at 0, color noise reduction +16, and then detail +50, smoothness +50. And then go to profiles, and hopefully I can use one of these. Actually, don't know if I can. Go to modern, and select modern 3. And that is it. This is the before and this is the after. And that is it for this video. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!